Bacons are meat products. They are made of cured pig meat. Bacons go through a highly specific processing method before you actually get to eat it. The pig meat used in the bacon is cured through a very high quantity of salt or brine. After curing it with salt, it can be processed in one of three ways. They can boil it, dry the bacon in cold air, or smoke it. In America, bacon is usually cured and smoked, and you get very different flavours by using various types of wood or corn cobs. Peat is sometimes used in the United Kingdom. Boiled bacon is usually considered ready to eat, while dried bacon might need a little bit of cooking. Bacon is made from the side and back cuts of pork meat. The taste and flavour of the meat is generally better. People love to eat bacon in several ways. Smoked, boiled, fried or grilled bacon can be used to make delicious dishes. 20 grams of bacon contains approximately 5.4 grams of fat and 4.4 grams of protein. It's the cooking process and the cut of meat that decides the fat and protein content. 68 of the food energy of bacons come from fat, almost half of which are saturated. Each ounce of bacon contains 30 milligrams of cholesterol. Jews and Muslims don't eat pork meat. There's also many varying and sometimes weird bacon-flavoured products, such as bacon toothpaste, bacon peanut brittle, bacon dental floss, bacon popcorn, bacon vodka, and bacon mince, to name but a few. Sometimes turkey bacon is used as a replacement of real bacon. Pig farming is a huge industry in China. Almost half of the world's pigs come from China. The biggest concern with pig farming in China is that there are some serious sanitation issues. The Chinese were the first to cook salted pork bellies more than 3,000 years ago. This makes bacon one of the world's oldest processed meats. The Romans made petaso by boiling salted pig shoulder with figs and seasoned with a mixture of pepper sauce. Bacon is generally a compulsory part of an English breakfast. It's served with eggs and sausages. In England, bacon was typically dry cured with salt and then smoked. In the late 18th century, John Harris opened the first bacon processing plant in the county of Wiltshire, where he developed a special brining solution for finishing the meat. This Wiltshire cure method is still used today and is a favourite of bacon lovers who prefer a sweeter, less salty taste. In the UK and Ireland, smoked and unsmoked varieties are equally common, unsmoked being referred to as green bacon. The term streaky bacon refers to belly bacon due to the prominence of the bands of fat. Usually, the skin left on the cut is known as bacon rind, but rindless bacon is also common throughout the English-speaking world. The most common bacon sold is middle bacon, which includes more of the streaky, fatty section of side bacon, along with a portion of the loin of back bacon. In Canada, the term bacon on its own typically refers to side bacon. Back bacon refers to either smoked or unsmoked bacon cut from the boneless eye of pork loin, and this is called Canadian bacon in the US when cut into a thick medallion shape. Pea-meal bacon is back bacon that's been brined and coated in fine cornmeal. Historically, it was rolled in a meal made from ground dried peas. Some of the meanings of bacon overlap with the German language term Speck. Germans use the term bacon explicitly for breakfast speck, which are cured or smoked pork slices. Traditional German cold cuts favour ham over bacon, but grilled pork belly remains popular in Bavaria. The US and Canada have seen an increase in the popularity of bacon and related recipes, dubbed bacon mania. The sale of bacon in the US has increased significantly since 2011. Sales climbed 9.5% in 2013, making it a $4 billion industry in the US. In a survey, 65% of Americans would support bacon as their national food. Dishes such as bacon explosion, chicken fried bacon, and chocolate covered bacon are internet favourites, which use candied bacon. Restaurants even organise bacon and beer tasting nights. And the phrase "bringing home the bacon" dates back centuries. In 12th century England, churches would award a side of bacon to any married man who swore he and his wife had not argued for a year and a day. Men who brought home the bacon were seen as exemplary citizens and husbands. Bacon was used to make explosives during World War II. The rendered bacon fats created glycerin, which created bombs, gunpowder, and other munitions. Hardee's Frisco burger was a game changer for bacon. It was the first fast food burger served with bacon. When it came out in 1992, it was a huge hit. It revived bacon as an ingredient and convinced other fast food companies to baconize their burgers. The average American consumes 18 pounds of bacon each year. And there is even a church of bacon. It boasts more than 25,000 members under the commandment, "Praise Bacon." And a bacon sculpture of Kevin Bacon just had to be a thing too. It was created by artist Mike Lahue and used 7 bottles of bacon bits, lots of glue, and 5 coats of lacquer. And remember, September 3rd is International Bacon Day.